Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you that actually everyone can create and save their 3D new poses in iClone 8 3D animation software and then share with everyone. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you need to get the iClone 8 software. And if you not yet have this software, you can just scroll down, go to my video description, click into the link. It will redirect you to the official site to get the iClone 8 3D animation software. You can get the trial if you want, or get the full version from the official site. So now, these are the steps to create any of the new poses. First, you have to set the total frame to 1. So now I'm going to start from the beginning. First, in the iClone 8, just click File, create a new project, and don't save it. By default, the workplace is from the standards, like this. Right, first, just switch the workplace to all panels. Then, here you have to scroll down, find the project, and then make the end frames to be 1. Then press enter. Now the total frame will be 1. Then you click here, fit to the window, just like that. Next, you can switch back the Windows workplace back to the standard. Then just click here to choose a character. And as demo, I'm going to choose the Party F0001, drag and drop the avatar to the origins, make it at the center, then click here. You should be able to see the motion if you scroll down. This one, click and press delete button to delete everything. Then this avatar will back to the T-pose. Close this. Then we can start to pose this avatar. Click here. Then you can see edit motion layer button here. Click on that. Then from here you can just directly pose your avatar. Just for example, double click any of the bones. Then press E. If you press R and if you press W, it is going to move. If you press E, then you can pose it. This is just an example. Make it become any pose that you want. Then, when you want to pose the leg, you may find that if you double click and press E, you are unable to move it. So the leg, you must start from the toe. Here, double click and press W to move it to any of the position that you want. The first step, like this. Next, double click the foot. Then press W. You can move it. You can rotate it. Now you can move it already. Let's say if you want to move this, you need to move the leg as well. Like this. See? And then you can move the fingers as well. See? You can drag this, then move the fingers. This is really easy. If you feel satisfied already, then you can save the pose. Click. Close this. Then back to the content. Click the motion. Click the custom. Click the motion. Then at this folder, you can just click save. The file name, maybe you can name it whatever you want. Just name this as motion 02. Then click OK. Now it is going to save it as an RL motion. This is the RL motion that you can apply in any other 3D avatar in iClone 8 3D animation software. To try it as demo, I'm going to start a new project file and I don't save it. Now I go and choose another avatar. First, before that, I right click this and then click Find File. It is going to show you in File Explorer. Everything will be more convenient to see it here. This is the RL motion. If you view with the large icons, you can see. You can share this file with your friends if you want. You can distribute this. Then I'm going to back to the template folder and choose another avatar, for example the Kelvin. Drag and drop to here. Then back to the File Explorer. This is the RL motion with just one frame. One frame pose, you can drag and drop to any other 3D avatar. Now you can see it already applied in another 3D avatar. It is exactly the pose that we have made just now. And just check how many frames it have. This motion is only one frame. One frame, that means it is just a pose. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial about actually everyone can create and save a new 3D pose in iClone 8 3D animation software. And you can apply it in Character Creator 4 as well. You can share with everyone. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.